Hi, I'm Kim Crabb, one of the co-founders of Diamond C Trailers, the OG, original girl of Diamond C. Our fundamental this week is number 5, do the right thing always. Demonstrate an unwavering commitment to doing the right thing in every action you take and in every decision you make, even when no one's looking. Always tell the truth. If you make a mistake, own up to it, apologize, make it right. This fundamental is a good rule of thumb to live by. Choosing to do the right thing is really about who you are when you look in the mirror. You want to like what you see, right? Doing the right thing means making a decision not based on a personal needs or wants, but for a greater and common good. Exercise good judgment in every situation. Do what needs to be done. Occasionally, it may not be an easy decision, but in the long run, it will be the right decision and the best decision. Don't worry yourself about the outcome because it will be absolutely the right thing to do. My challenge this week is I would encourage you to think and then do what is right. Know by doing the right thing, you will feel better about your decision and even more importantly, about yourself.